So we are here now in enchanted rainforest. Sa frog. This is the rainforest. It's a lot of animal here. Golden bowerbird. Rare gold. Satin bowerbird. Great fig tree borer. Striped possum. So there's a striped possum. Finger food. This one, giant white-tailed rat. So they are there. Different kind of birds. Rufous owl. What's owl possum? Carpet python. Earth-seeking snake. Boyd's forest dragon. Rainforest fruit doves. Seed spreaders. Let's go here outside. Oh, wala na dito. Here's what step? Complex. Stronger fig. How long does it take to make at home? This one is Torresian Imperial Pigeon. Seed spreaders. Many rainforest trees occurs over large areas of eastern Australia and to New Guinea. They are found in isolated rainforest patches. What's this? These are prickly forest skink. Not just dead wood. Wood cockroach. Great fig tree borer. Nebulous stag beetle. A pale millipede. A stag beetle larva. Pacillid beetle. Driving an average car 1.5 times around the earth, almost 60,000 kilometers. 1.5 times. Or charging almost 2 million smartphones. Or 7.5 tons of coal. It's big. In 1 year of growth, 1 hectare of tropical Queensland rainforest can capture and store up to equivalent to 15 tons of carbon. This equates to climate change heroes. So, climate change heroes, trees are critically important to the carbon cycle. Removing amount of carbon from the atmosphere each year. Australia's tropical rainforests have along the highest biomass and thus the highest carbon storage of tropical forests globally. This is because they have a higher number and density of large, medium-sized trees. The carbon stored within the trees increases exponentially as the tree increases in size. A large rainforest tree with a diameter of just 60 centimeters stores equivalent to 4.5 tons. So this one is the in the picture, in the replica. This is Southern Cassowary, young adult, single parent dad. Oh, single parent dad. So this one, as you can see in the replica, that one is the Southern Cassowary, chick under 3 months old. 3 months old. Learning from dad. So the other one, this one, this is Southern Cassowary, 6 months old. growing up. Okay, that's it for the birds. There's a lot of animals here in Australia. This one's the scorpion. The rainforest floor. I am a mammal. My nose is surrounded by an elaborate structured nose place. Ito may igo. This one is Victoria's rifle bird. Snappy drizzle. It is the birds of paradise. Male. This one is male. Also this one, international jet-setter. Buff-breasted paradise kingfisher. Every spring and summer, this kingfisher flies from New Guinea to breed in the rainforest of North Queensland. It builds its nest inside termite mounds on the floor. This one is, I live in deep rainforest, but also I like to feed along the forest edge. Alright, time's up. So that is our tour for the enchanted rainforest. All right.
Let's go.
So kalak kaya ata dyan eh.
Pag hindi, lagi tayo. Saan to? Ay, mali na. Balik tayo. Doon pa rin pala. Sinundan kasi natin.
Victoria Bridge under construction.
Mga ano oras ba matatapos yan?
2.
Alas 2.
Mm.
Hintayin na lang natin siya, no? Kasi 17 minutes din yung